In this video, we're going to go over Musicaneo, Musicaneo.com. This is the web address in the mirror, or in the address bar, rather. This is the front page of the Musicaneo website. What this website is another self-publishing website that you can put your arrangements and compositions on. I'm putting more of my original compositions on this page. People do arrange different classical or jazz or rock pieces on here, but you have to get clearance from the copyright owner. Like I said in the S&P Press video, you need to be very, very careful what you put on here and whether you have the rights to put it on. And you have to be truthful. So you can either search for music, like here. You can search for different instrumentations, different composers. It's a whole index of different music filtered by composer, filtered by instrument in this case. If you're going to do genre, that's the next one you could do. Film and TV show. Let's go there. Let's see, let's see what's on here. Some of these are arrangements and some of these are original pieces. Let's see. Go to the next one down is pop music. And you see all of these different songs by different publishers, different composers, different arrangers, and you've got like pages and pages and pages of these scores. And it's a whole network of composers that, around the world that compose and arrange and put these pieces up for people to buy or people to study, that kind of thing. We have classical as well. Well, go back. It seems that their site has an error, so we're just going to go to the next one. That page has an error, so I don't know what that is, but we have these, the jazz. Then we've got rock. We're waiting for it to come up. So you have all of these different genres and instrumentations that you can do, arranging or composing. Just make sure if you're arranging a piece that you have the rights to it. Okay. The next thing is catalog. You can browse sheet music. So this is like the complete index of genres, epochs, popular artists and authors A through Z, composers. This is like the index for the whole entire catalog of work that composers and arrangers put up on the site. And you could search by any publisher at all. And I want to give you the next part of this, which is publishing. So publishing, you can upload sheet music that's arrangements or compositions as much as you want to. There's no limit. This is how to do it. We work hard to make sure things, composers get the music out there to people and, have their license fees and all that stuff that they need. It only takes a few steps to register. You register and receive your own personal site and sales platform. This is a complete sales platform for you. Publish your music scores, and the brief rundown of this is upload your files. You're going to upload a PDF file or a Muse file, M-U-S, to this part of it. And then at number 2, you're going to enter your sheet music details, which is your title, alternate title, authors, composers, and all of that. Then you're going to say, for the number 3, you're going to say participating parties. Participating parties refer to composer versus author versus arranger versus publisher. You guys have to work all that stuff out and put that in the blanks that are there for you on that page. And the number 4 would be the rights. This is where it'll actually ask you if this is a public domain work, if this is an original composition that you're doing, or if you're getting permission from a copyright holder to post an arrangement of a piece. They have radio buttons on the side of each of the options that you can choose. And finally, they have 5, fees and licenses. Well, fees are basically your royalty commissions, the cut that you would make on some sheet music that you composed or arranged. Musicaneo takes, I would say, I'm not sure of the actual percentage of the fee that they actually take, but it is a small amount. And then the rest of the fee is yours. Also, there are licenses. You can actually have a separate fee for royalties. That's what a fee would be. And then license would be, you can license a performance or a performing organization to play your music, or a musician or anybody to play your music for a fee per performance or for a set time of performances. That's up to you, what you want to do. You can offer it without a license fee and just the royalty fee. It's up to you. For those of you that saw the Arrange Me video, I got a comment on the video saying that it's not really worth doing S&P Press, and that's part of the big part of the motivation for why I'm doing this tutorial, is because in this Musicaneo.com you can actually get licenses in addition to the royalty fees that you accumulate. So this is your answer to that. And the advantages of publishing, Musicaneo doesn't cost anything. Musicaneo gives you all the tools to publish, promote, and distribute your music. Sheet music as well as licenses. You maintain full control of your scores and copyrights and much, much more. You can transfer your fees to your PayPal account, which then you can transfer to your bank account if it's connected, all that good stuff. And Musicaneo can save you time on transferring your manuscripts to printable format by providing professional transliteration service, which that's a whole nother video. You also can go, after that, there is the community of music jobs, blogs, projects, music competitions, members' postings, and contributing members. These are the top people that contribute to this database, this publishing database. I'm going through this really quickly because I'm going to get cut off for time, and I think it'd be nice to do this video and a few others. But what I'd like to do now, since these are all different sides of the business, I could cover these things in different videos. But now what I want to do is I want to take you to where it says My Site. And I'm going to show you my website here. This is my musicaneo.com address. This is my website of the music that I have up right now. It's just a couple of them in the score catalog. It's a very simple installation. You can change it whenever you want to. But here is my score catalog of all the stuff that I have out now. I have 3 pages of scores, at least 24 or 25 pieces up right now, that any of you who are players or performers can get, ranging from piano to orchestra, or in sacred stuff as well. If you've got any of these inklings, I have it all here. And we're just going to scroll through here. And you can also play samples of the MIDI or play samples of the audio that I have with the scores so you can hear it before you buy it. You will also have a blog showcasing your new music, your new performances, all the updates that you want to put to keep people, your performers, your audience in the know of what you're doing. There's also a gallery. I haven't put much on there. And then there's the biography page. The biography section is basically first. And I talk about, my music, where I started, where I studied music composition and how it went, and you can edit these at any time. If you switch to Musicaneo, let's switch over there, you can go to below the My Site icon, you can go to your name and it will bring up the dashboard, which is where you will see profile information, account settings, profile picture, a list of uploads, your score catalog. You can put, I had to do a separate video on that. You ought to do, it has a thing for job postings and resume postings and your stats on finances to see how you're doing. Then it has the My Personal site. You can check out the gallery. You can check out different things, put new photos on, put new things, articles up. You can put news just by going post news. And then you can actually edit your contact data and put additional contact information in this spot below. So I have all my contact info that you could need, you could want, on this site. And I have my YouTube channels, this channel, the tutorials channel, and the composer channel, of course, are on there. You can click Save Contact Information if you make changes, and it'll save it for you. So that's basically an overview of Musicaneo. I'll probably be doing more on this. It's not going to be the only video in this. I'm probably going to do a series of videos, and I'm going to put it in a playlist so that everybody can see it. In the next video, I'll probably go over uploading the process and how you do it. All right? Take care. See you in the next video.